Hi everyone, welcome back to the Beck Collection YouTube channel. Today we're looking at my 1934 Farmall F-12. Since the last video I've done a few repairs to it. For my birthday I got a new intake and exhaust manifold and a manifold gasket and a new exhaust pipe. And so I installed that. First what I did was I took the old one off. There's 4 bolt studs that go into the head. So you have to take the nuts off and then take the old manifold off, and then I cleaned the gasket surface underneath, and then I replaced all the nuts and washers on the studs, cleaned the threads up, cleaned the gasket surface, and then put the new manifold on. I don't know if the studs have been changed on this tractor or what, but the stud back here is longer than all of the rest of them. So to get the old manifold off, I had to take the entire governor setup loose. And so I had all that apart, got it all put back together, bolted this new exhaust pipe on. This is a little different manifold than the one that was on there. The one that was on there originally had the exhaust pipe come out about here, and so it's also a little bit height different wise. And so I had to reroute the choke linkage. Also I put a new valve cover gasket, brand new quart gasket on there, so hopefully it shouldn't spit oil out of the valve cover anymore. So we'll start it up for you, see how that goes. So to start it, first you make sure it's in neutral. You have to move the shift lever up and down on this model. Then you set the impulse on your mag. This one's already set, but that's what it looked like if it was not set. Trip that. Come over here. Now this gas tank has some problems with it, so we run it off of the starting tank. So there's a shut-off valve for it right here. Turn that on. I'm not sure where this will run throttle wise, so I have it set pretty low right now. And then turn your choke on. Up is on, down is off, and we'll crank it over and see what happens. Now it's probably going to take a little while for the fuel to get pumped up to the carburetor, since the fuel pump is down here and the carburetor is all the way up here.